The back office of Globant Enterprise AI offers the organization's administrators a range of essential options for configuring projects and managing configurations. In particular, when accessing the back office, a dashboard is displayed on the home screen. This dashboard provides essential indicators related to the selected project's usage and costs. At the top right of the header, selecting the project filters the information displayed in the dashboard, as well as all the options offered in the menu on the left. As we know, in this left menu, we can access the different options and functionalities. This dashboard offers a comprehensive and flexible view of the project execution, as it allows changing the start date and end date. In this way, it facilitates the analysis of all metrics and measurements on the selected dates. In this screen, we find essential information such as total cost and average cost by request, displayed with dollar symbols and 2-decimal precision. Additional metrics are also provided, including average request time in milliseconds, along with a detailed breakdown of total requests, total request errors, and also overall error rate percentage. In addition, for an even more complete overview, a graphical view of the schedule is displayed, with the daily evolution of cost and daily requests by project over the specified time. The timeline graphs are flexible and can be adjusted to a specific time period using a slider conveniently located below each graph. This allows you to customize them by simply sliding the control to focus on certain intervals. The Activity by Assistance table allows you to filter and explore the contribution of different assistants and models to the project. Detailed data on the cost and number of requests associated with each assistant and model provide valuable information on individual performance. This Drop Filters Here option allows setting filters that affect the entire table. To do this, we drag items from the rows or columns and select a value. For example, when dragging Assistant, the table is displayed like this. In addition, the Assistant and Model columns can be customized by clicking here. The Assistant column offers the following configuration options: sort in ascending or descending order, subtotals to add or remove subtotals to summarize the information, move to column. This option allows changing the arrangement of a specific column item, and search to perform quick searches for specific models. In addition, in the model column, the configuration options are as follows: sort, subtotals, move to column, search, and the specific list of models to filter information by models according to the user's preferences. Finally, by clicking here, we can access options such as export and column visibility. In addition, the dashboard also allows exploring user metrics that we can view here. This specific panel is automatically filtered by the selected organization and project. It should be taken into account that filters by date range are independent in each dashboard, both in project and user. Metrics provided in this user panel include the following: total active users. This data is obtained by running a count in the requests table. More specifically, in the request user ID field, which provides an accurate total of active users in the system. We also see the average cost generated by user. As for the average requests by user, it provides the average number of questions or interactions of each user with the different assistants. It also identifies and displays the top 10 users with the highest costs, considering here the possibility that the request user ID can be null. It also lists the 10 users with the highest number of requests, even considering that the request user ID may be null. The timeline with average cost by user shows the evolution over time of the average cost by user. and the timeline with average requests by user shows the variation over time in the average number of requests by user. Finally, the dynamic table of activity by user provides a detailed breakdown by user ID, assistant, model, cost, and number of requests. Alright, next we'll move on to the concept of observability.